heard you're moving toward the city. Greener grass and smaller fields. Fancy brunches, counting money. The kind of life you'd take if you could steal. I heard you're flying from the Midwest. Had enough of Easter gold. And you aren't asking for.
Here's the melody. Here's the melody. Here's the melody for your song. I'm a memory, just a memory. I'm a memory, I'm long gone. Grandmother, you visited me in my dreams, though your body's passed on. You were there.
Slowing down to hold my hand, richer than 100 grand. You're worth every second I could spend. Don't know what the future holds, but we'll always have our songs, and you'll always have a person to call home. It's all locked together. Wanna throw away the key. No, this moment's not forever, but we could be. I think you're the one. I think you're the one. I think you're the one. I don't know much about love, but I've seen it come and gone. And I think you're the one. Slowly wanna open my heart is crossed and fingers tied. You got me riding higher than my hopes. Picture us in 20 years, kissing you behind the ears, going down in the history books.
Don't say, darling, 'cause you're faking. Don't hide the tears, 'cause I know you're breaking. All this love and all this pain you've given. All this love and all this pain, you bring them from another world.
Another tear just burst from the side of your eye. And I know what you're saying, and I know it's a fucking lie. All this word, damn lie. All this pain in those fine eyes. All this love and all
strength, you know my weakness. You're the healer of my wounds. Joy instead of mourning. Teach my heart to follow you. My guide ever before me, yeah. Speaking light upon my path. Forever here around me, yeah. Fear won't overwhelm your love. And I know you're the King who has called me by name.